appreciate Minister Shaba arranging for my delegation to meet with a delegation from various ministries, including the Minister of Justice, members from the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Defense. We talked through important topics, including the AFDB-led reform program. We spoke about the upcoming elections, all agreed for the need for nonviolence, for leaders to continue to call for clear, transparent elections. We spoke about the PVO Bill, some of the concerns that we expressed on that. We also spoke about ongoing collaboration that we have on HIV programs, $200 million that we are spending here to ensure that Zimbabweans have access to drugs, to ARVs. And finally, we spoke about a very positive demining program that we are continuing to fund here. Just found out today that we're down to the last 18 square kilometers of mines, and that by 2025, Zimbabwe will be declared mine-free. And that is something that we in the United States are incredibly proud of, having partnered with Zimbabwe. So again, thank you. That's all I'll say. Thank you.
Did you discuss anything on sanctions?
I've got to go.